Over in the U.S., with COVID-19 cases passing 18 million, the nation has been ramping up vaccinations. Many essential workers got their first shot. Choi Won-jong heard about the vaccine experience directly from them.
Across the U.S., frontline workers have been rolling up their sleeves to get vaccinated. The CDC says at least 556,000 people have received their first doses of Pfizer vaccine so far.
I had a sore arm the first 24 hours or so, and the day after I was a little fatigued, a little tired. Granted, I know that the first round doesn't have as many side effects as the second round will, but honestly, it was really easy, and I'm feeling great now. So.
After 20 minutes of observation, she was free to leave with a vaccination record card in her hand.
When you got the shot in your arm that last Friday, what went through your head?
I think for me, the first thing was I feel incredibly honored, but mostly just really, really proud to literally feel like I am at the beginning of something that's going to be history, and honestly being able to look back on that moment and tell my kids one day, I was one of the first people that received that groundbreaking vaccination.
Marina Choi, a healthcare worker in Seattle, says she has some post-vaccination symptoms like minor fatigue and a headache. But the whole process was worth it.
Kind of emotional, honestly. It felt like there's hope for a lot of my patients who still need to come to the hospital for medical care, but whether they have COVID or not, they're nervous to be in the hospital because they know the risk of being in a hospital setting. And
some of her co-workers opt out of the inoculation, but most of them have been very positive, hoping to see the end of the pandemic.
I'd say the same thing, we're in this together, the whole world. It's unlike anything we've seen in a long time, and just like I said, with the continuity of response in the different states, whether it's California, New York, Washington, Idaho, wherever you are, we're in this together.
She says she's getting her second vaccination on January 8th and added that just because we have a vaccine now, it doesn't mean the pandemic is going away. Choi Won-jong, Arirang News.